In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy, install, and activate the FC Copilot Elite Sniping Bot for FC26. We'll go through the full setup process from start to finish in a simple and clear way, so you can get everything running smoothly inside your browser and be ready to start using the tool with confidence. To begin, head over to the official FC Copilot website. Once you're on the purchase page, choose the Elite subscription package. Make sure you're selecting the correct version before continuing, since this is the package you'll need for the setup shown in this guide. After that, complete the payment process. Once your purchase is successful, you should receive a confirmation email that includes your license key along with the download link for the extension. Next, open that confirmation email and look for the download link. Click it to download the FC Copilot Elite extension folder to your computer. After the download finishes, you'll need to extract or unzip the file. This is important because Chrome won't load the extension correctly if it's still in a zipped folder. If needed, place the unzipped folder somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or downloads folder, so you can access it quickly in the next step. Now, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the browser menu. From there, go to Extensions and then select Manage Extensions. This will take you to the page where Chrome lets you control and install browser extensions manually. Once you're on the extensions page, turn on developer mode using the toggle in the top right corner. After that, click Load Unpacked. A file window will appear, and this is where you need to select the unzipped FC Copilot folder you downloaded earlier. When you choose the correct folder, Chrome will install the extension directly into your browser. With the extension installed, open the official EA FC26 web app in Chrome and sign in to your Ultimate Team account. After logging in, look to the side of your screen and open the extension panel. This is where you'll manage the bot and complete the activation. Finally, go back to your email, copy your license key, and paste it into the activation box inside the extension menu. Then click Activate to finish the setup. Once that's done, the extension should be ready to use. At this point, you can begin setting your search filters and start using FC Copilot Elite to automate your market trades. Just take your time with the setup, follow each screen carefully, and you'll be ready to go.